Hello, project managers. Have you been solving the same problem again and again of late? What if I told you that you have been solving the symptoms and not the root cause? My name is JD. I'm a project management trainer from Zedon Consulting. And in this video, we will look at root cause analysis in project management. Let's get started. Today, we are diving into root cause analysis, a must have skill in every project manager's toolkit. Let's fix the real problem and fix it for good. Root cause analysis or RCA is all about identifying the real reason problems occur. So we stop putting out fires and start preventing them. Root cause analysis helps project managers eliminate recurring issues, improve team performance, and deliver consistent results. Now, here is what we will be covering in this video. 3 ways to identify the root cause. We will be talking about 3 different techniques, and we will be looking at something called the F.O.C.U.S framework. What are the possible mistakes that people do when treating root cause analysis, and the standard 6 steps to apply root cause analysis in projects. Let's get started. Let's look at some root cause analysis techniques. The first one is the 5 whys technique. Here we just keep asking why, literally 5 times. This simple method digs deep into uncover hidden causes. For example, why did we miss the deadline? Because the client did not approve on time. Why did the client not approve on time? And so on. Now, here is an example. Keep asking why 5 times. Why is the product quality bad? The first why, the answer is no extensive test cases. And then the next why are there no extensive test cases? And the answer seems to be poor requirements coverage. The next why poor requirements coverage? Ambiguous requirements. Why ambiguous requirements? Improper refinement. Why improper refinement? Lack of coordination in planning. You will keep on asking why until you get the answer. Statistics say 80% of the time you get your answer within the third why. The second technique is Fishbone Diagram, popularly known as the Ishikawa diagram. This visual tool helps you map out causes across categories, people, process, tools, etc. It's perfect for team brainstorming and uncovering complex issues. Here is the same example. Why is the product quality bad? Let's say the manager asks this question to the team. Let's say some people say people is the cause. Now, some of them say process is the cause, some of them say equipment is the cause, some say material, some say environment, and some say management. Now, the manager asks the second question, why people? And the team has their answers. Why process? The team has their answers. You'll continue to do this until the team confidently finds the root cause of the issue. The third technique is called the Pareto Principle, popularly known as 80-20 rule. It is a powerful concept in project management and quality techniques to find out the root cause. It suggests that 80% of the problems are typically caused by 20% of the causes. In other words, a small number of root causes often lead to the majority of project issues, whether that's project delays, budget overruns, scope creep, or even quality defects. Now, here we have an example of unsatisfactory customer service. Now, these are the possible causes that is creating unsatisfactory customer service: lack of training, 55%, inadequate pay, 24%, flawed communication, 12%, high turnover, 5%, and lack of managerial support, 4%. Now, you can go through these causes randomly and try to fix them, but to be effective, you need to find out the cause that is creating the maximum effect. If you look here, lack of training is creating the maximum effect. 55% of the defects in unsatisfactory customer service is because of lack of training, and 24% is from inadequate pay. Now, if you just handle these 2 issues, lack of training and inadequate pay, you are knocking off 17% of the problems by just solving 2 root causes. This is how powerful this technique is. Now that you got what root cause analysis is, how do you address it? Now, you can try something called the F.O.C.U.S framework. The F.O.C.U.S framework is a structured, step-by-step method to help project managers identify and resolve the true underlying issues causing problems in their projects. It's simple, memorable, and highly effective when applied systematically. Now, in the F.O.C.U.S framework, F stands for focus on the actual problem. Start by clearly defining what the real problem is, not just its symptoms. Ask what's actually going wrong here. Example, if the tasks are constantly delayed, is the problem poor time estimates or is it resource overload? O stands for organize the data you need, gather all relevant information and evidence before jumping to conclusions. Collect project reports, metrics, logs, feedbacks, etc. Look for patterns and consistencies. C stands for create a list of possible causes. Now, here you may brainstorm all potential contributing factors to the problem. Use tools like Fishbone Diagram, 5 Whys, or even team whiteboarding sessions. Include people, process, tools, timelines, and external factors of possible causes. U stands for understanding the underlying systems. Now, here you need to look beyond isolated incidents. Ask questions like what in our process or system is allowing this problem to occur repeatedly. This helps you move from blame game to improvement. For example, maybe team members are not failing, this resource allocation model is failing. Now, S stands for solve it with targeted actions. Finally, develop specific actionable solutions tailored to the root causes. Now, you have to test one change at a time, monitor results, adjust as needed, and document the learnings. Now, let's talk about the common mistakes that people do and how to avoid them. Many project managers stumble here. Don't make these common root cause analysis mistakes. Jumping to conclusions too quickly, treating symptoms instead of the root causes, and blaming people instead of fixing the process. Remember, systems cause problems more often than people do. Ready to take action? Here is how to apply root cause analysis effectively in the project management context. Clarify the problem, make sure the team agrees on the real issue, involve the right people, bring in diverse perspectives, use visual tools like Fishbone Diagram or flowcharts, validate your findings, test assumptions with real data, implement one solution at a time, right? You don't throw 5 fixes at one problem. Document and learn, right? Capture insights to improve future projects. Root cause analysis isn't just a troubleshooting tool, it is a project manager's superpower. When you find and fix the real issue, your whole project improves. Drop a comment: which root cause analysis method do you use most? 5 Whys, Fishbone, or Pareto? If you are interested in our PMP project management course, you can click the link in the description or call or WhatsApp us. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it for more content on project management. See you in the next video.